In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can archive highlights on Instagram in iPhone. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and it lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point that this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. But first things first, what you need to do is open up Instagram and tap on your profile icon down in the bottom right. On your profile, find whatever highlight it is that you want to go ahead and archive and just press and hold down on that highlight and it's going to pop up with a page that looks something like this. You're going to see an archive highlight option on here. Essentially go ahead and tap on archive highlight and the highlight will instantly be removed from your profile, but it will not be deleted. Only you can actually see it. To view those archived highlights, what you need to do, and I'm going to switch accounts for this real quick, is go ahead and once again be on your profile, select the three lines up in the top right, select archive, and then filter from post archive, story archive, whatever it might be, to highlight archive, or sometimes it pops up in the story archive and then you filter over to highlight archive just like so. But that's the full process. That's how you can view any archived highlights, edit it, delete it, repost it if you want, show it on your profile again, once again, whatever you want. If you guys had any questions, ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before you do leave this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out. Let us know that you want more content. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.